Hi guys, I'm Ashif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today we will make this lightning orb in Unreal Engine 5. So let's start this tutorial.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So let's start this. So first I will make a material for my sphere. So right click, make a material, and what we can call it lightning orb. Okay, and on the sphere, this is my sphere. So first thing I'll do, I will add some lightning thing, and for that you can use lightning texture, or if you have a noise texture, and if you don't have noise texture either, you can take the noise. And if I preview that here, so the tiling is very small, so I'll make it 0.01, and I'll also make this minimum maximum 0 to 1. And after doing this, if you want just the edges or just the lines, you can use the Sine here. If I connect this with the Sine, now you have to make the Sine 2. You will get the edges, just power after that, 5, or just because you need really sharp, you can use step power, just use step or 9. Yeah, so it looks better. And can actually use the lightning texture if you have. So let me check also. So I have lots of lightning textures like these, and I will use maybe, or let's, yeah, looks cool. We can use it. So what I'll do now, I'll use it, and I'll use it in emissive, and let's multiply this with a color, make this black. We can also animate it. So for that I'll take the world position and then add, and I'll add time. Before adding it, I will multiply it for the speed. So let's say 20. Then I'll add it here. And you can add multiple layers like this one. I'll make little saturate and fade it. And then I will actually duplicate this whole thing. Actually, you can use this thing same, but if you want, I'll make this a little more tiling, maybe 5. And now I will multiply this thing more saturated and bright color, and I will add it on it. It will give me layer. You can also change the speed, like this one, this should be slower, the bottom one, and this upper one should be, this brighter one should be more faster, like this. Cool. Okay, now you can use a Fresnel on it. So for that I'll take the Fresnel, and if I preview, see how it looks. So I will multiply Fresnel with this color and add it on it. Before adding it, let's add it the Fresnel. So I'll multiply it with like 0.2. So it will be very subtle. And then I will use the original Fresnel and make this maybe 8, 10. So it will be just for the edges. So when I'll add these together, this one and this one, let it compile. So if I preview, I will have a brighter, which is just for edge, and this one, maybe just 0.1. Then I'll use it. Here I will make it more. Actually, I will use the power here also, maybe just 5. Now let's save it again. Yeah, this looks much better, but I will make this little more brighter, maybe 100. Thickness of this maybe little bigger. Let's save it. We will edit it later. So yeah, we will edit it later. Although you can do one thing, you can now you can take a noise texture, this one, copy and paste. I'll use this here. If I preview, This is animating, of course, and I'm not using Sine and everything. And what I'll do, I will add same time here, and then I'll use Sine. So it will give me this thing. And now this time is too fast. We can now multiply. First, I'll saturate it, then multiply this brighter one with this, and see how it goes. Going all together. So let it be for now. Let it- So now it has kind of depth. So now I will go ahead and I'll take a Niagara and open this. First thing, I will add a new manual emitter, and I just need the one sphere, so I will add a spawn burst, and it should just spawn once and then leave forever. And now it's one, so I need a sphere, so I will make this mesh render. Take the sphere here and then use this material. Yeah, alright. I'll also make my scene little darker. I did preview. Now we will add more lights in it, lightning around it. So for that, now let me search the lightning texture in my folder. And I have kind of lots of textures. Maybe this one I will use. This one. So let me search if I have material already. I have. So this is the material and it's quite simple, but I will create a game. So right click, make a material. And this is actually right for I think kinda. Maybe I'll use different texture. Let's use this one. So I'll take the particle color that will go here, make this additive, unlit, two-sided, and I'll just add these channels together because it's color image and just multiply it with the alpha. Save it. I'll browse this and in my FX, let's create new minimal emitter and I will add spawn rate 20 and I need that material that I just created. I'll browse this and let's make this WV 4x4. I'll add animation here. That should be random frames, so just choose random here. And this is cutting. So what I'll do, I'll use a radial. I think this is just a radial, so I'll take texture coordinate, multiply by 4 and then take a frac, connect. So it will repeat 4 times, 4 by 4. Okay. And then you can multiply this thing with the radial, so every lightning should be cut smoothly in 4x4. So now in the FX, it's cool. Now I'll use the sphere location 100, I think 150 will be, and size maybe 150, and now sphere size should be 100. Cool. And now I will add lots of things like fade in, fade out. So in the alpha, the color scale module, in the alpha, I will add a curve and I'll use this last preset. Color, of course, should be same as my sphere. And you can add rate, rotation, random, maybe unread and minus unread. It's too much, 50 and minus 50. And these should not come over the sphere, so I will add camera offset minus 20. Sphere size unread is okay. Right. Yeah, so look cool now. And I will add some warm up also in 5. Then I will duplicate this emitter, make the spawn rate lower, maybe 10, size of this bigger, and brightness maybe just 1, and rotation of course maybe 10 minus 10. This looks something really cool. And you can also do one thing, you can copy this one more time, and this time what I'll do, let's disable these two. So with this one, what I'll do, I'll use the camera offset positive 20 and make the size very small, make 50 and 30, and make the camera offset maybe 50. And now I will make the life maybe 0.2, 0.1. So some light numeration here also. Cool. Looks cool. Can add some dots also, so I'll just duplicate one more time, delete the sprite and take the again, so it will come with the radial like this. I'll make maybe 200, particle size maybe just, and in the sphere I'll use just on the surface, and particle size maybe just 5 and 2, and let's make it even more just to check. Yeah, because the life is very short, they are just dying. So we can increase it a little bit more, so I will just make it like 10,000. And maybe life and 5 and offset. We can add little velocity, point velocity. This is not working. Okay, we have to take the solve force velocity here. Now it's working, but it's too much. I just need minimum. So now this is our effect and this looks really cool. So thanks for watching, keep learning and bye bye.